Coffee isn't just a beverage, it's a ritual that fuels mornings and sparks creativity. As demand for premium coffee grows, discerning drinkers are turning to whole bean coffee for fresher flavor and better aroma. In this guide, we explore the best coffee beans available on Amazon, evaluating each for bean quality, roast level, flavor profile, freshness, and value.
List number 1. Amazon Fresh Donut Cafe Whole Bean Coffee. The Amazon Fresh Donut Cafe Whole Bean Coffee delivers a smooth, balanced cup that's perfect for everyday enjoyment. This medium roast coffee is crafted from 100% Arabica beans, offering a delightful harmony of sweetness and brightness without bitterness. The flavor profile features subtle notes of chocolate and toasted nuts, reminiscent of classic donut shop coffee. Comforting, familiar, and easy to drink. It's roasted and packed in the USA, ensuring freshness with every bag. The beans grind beautifully for any brew method, drip, pour over, or French press, and deliver consistent results cup after cup. The resealable 32-ounce bag helps preserve aroma and prevent staleness, a nice touch for regular coffee drinkers. Whether you're brewing your morning pot or serving guests, Amazon Fresh Donut Cafe offers unbeatable value for its quality. It's smooth enough for black coffee lovers, but pairs perfectly with cream or milk.
List number 2. Community Coffee's Signature Blend Whole Bean Coffee. The Community Coffee Signature Blend is a Southern classic, loved for its rich, bold flavor and full-bodied taste. This dark roast blend uses 100% Arabica beans, hand-selected and expertly roasted to achieve a deep, smooth profile with notes of cocoa and roasted nuts. It's a coffee that speaks to tradition, crafted by a family-owned company with over 100 years of roasting expertise. Each cup delivers a consistent, aromatic experience perfect for espresso, drip, or French press brewing. The beans are roasted to perfection for a clean finish and low acidity, making it ideal for strong coffee lovers who want strong flavor without harsh bitterness. Beyond taste, Community Coffee also supports sustainable sourcing and invests in farmer partnerships, which adds to its appeal for conscientious buyers.
List number 3. Starbucks Kirkland Signature Medium Roast Coffee Beans, Pack of 2. The Starbucks Kirkland Signature Medium Roast Coffee Beans blend delivers Starbucks quality flavor at a warehouse-sized value. Co-branded by Starbucks and Costco, this pack of 2.5-pound bags, or 5 pounds total, ensures long-lasting freshness and a premium roast for everyday coffee lovers. These medium roast beans offer a balanced profile with hints of caramel and cocoa, perfect for anyone who enjoys smooth yet flavorful coffee. The beans are 100% Arabica, sourced from Latin America's top-growing regions, and roasted in small batches for consistency. Ideal for both espresso and drip brewing, this blend strikes the right middle ground between rich and mellow, strong enough for a morning pick-me-up, yet smooth enough for afternoon sipping. The resealable packaging keeps the beans fresh, while the large size makes it an exceptional deal for households or small offices.
List number 4. Seattle's Best Coffee Portside Blend Medium Roast Whole Bean. The Seattle's Best Coffee Portside Blend offers a smooth and approachable medium roast that perfectly balances flavor and body. Made from 100% Arabica beans, it delivers a rich aroma and a lively taste with hints of roasted nuts and mild cocoa. Seattle's Best is known for its signature smoothness, achieved through a unique roasting process that enhances sweetness while reducing bitterness. It's versatile enough for multiple brewing styles, drip machine, pour over, or French press, without losing its signature harmony. The Portside blend is especially ideal for those who prefer a mellow yet flavorful cup that pairs beautifully with breakfast or dessert. The affordable price point and consistent roast make it a reliable staple for home and office alike. If you want dependable, high-quality coffee that never disappoints, Seattle's Best Portside blend is an easy recommendation for daily brews.
List number 5. Jose's Whole Bean Coffee, 2 pounds, 8 ounces, 40 ounces, 100% certified. The Jose's whole bean coffee is a standout for those who crave freshness, quality, and value. Each bag contains 2 pounds, 8 ounces, or 40 ounces of 100% certified Arabica beans, carefully roasted to bring out a smooth, nutty, and slightly chocolatey flavor that appeals to a wide range of palates. Jose's coffee is known for small batch roasting, which preserves the natural oils and aromas of the beans for a superior cup. It's available in various roast levels, but this medium roast option hits the perfect balance of boldness and smoothness. The beans grind evenly for espresso, drip, or cold brew, and the generous 40-ounce packaging ensures you won't run out anytime soon. Despite its premium quality, it's priced far below many boutique brands, making it a favorite among Amazon shoppers.